Hey guys, how's it going? You got the craving for some baked chicken wings? Do I got the recipe for you? This is my own personal recipe, and you're gonna love this. I guarantee you. It's simple, it's quick, easy to follow, and the best of all, it's delicious. So let's get started. I got about 4 pounds of chicken wings that's already been cut up with some flats and drumettes, and now I'm gonna add some soy sauce. You can add any kind of soy sauce. I've got about half a cup of regular soy sauce, any brand, Kikkoman, LaCroix, great value, doesn't matter. That's right. If you're into that health stuff, you can cut back on the sodium. Use light soy sauce to cut back on your sodium. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I'm gonna add some ground black pepper, about say 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper. And some crushed red chili pepper, if you're in that kind of stuff. Yeah, baby. And some garlic powder, or granulated garlic. Put in about, say, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Mix it all up, marinate for at least 5 hours, and you're ready to go. Make sure you keep this in the refrigerator at all times. Give it a toss. And that's it. And that's all you need. Soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, some crushed red chili pepper. And that's it. And you're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for like 35 minutes. That's it. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And you're good to go. And you're gonna love this, I guarantee you. Give this recipe a try. You're gonna love it. It's finger licking good, I guarantee you. And anyone can do this, I guarantee you. This is so simple. Nothing fancy about this. Toss it around for a couple of minutes. Wrap it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it marinate for about 5 hours, or even better, leave it overnight. And the next day, you can toss it in the oven, and you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna let this marinate, and we'll get back. Look at that. Can't wait. Got me hungry already. We'll come back later for it. Okay, so it's been 6 hours, so it's time to bake this baby. I put them in a baking pan, line them with some aluminum foil just to makes it easier to clean. So you're gonna place them in a single layer and just put it whatever you can. Okay, and then you're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for like 35 minutes, and that's it. Just set it and forget it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Shoo. in the middle, of course, in the middle rack. Place it in there. Ooh, don't burn myself. Look at that. At 350 degrees. And set the timer. And we're good to go. Okay, so 35 minutes is up. Let's open it up and see what it looks inside. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Look at that. Mmm. Look at that beautiful looking color. Nice caramelization. Mmm. Don't know about you, but it's time to eat. Let's check them. Let's check this baby out. Look at that. Look at those wings, guys. See that? Gorgeous. Look at that. Mmm. Mighty good. Boy, don't they look delicious? It's time to eat, y'all. Got me hungry already. Here it is, guys. Baked chicken wings in 35 minutes. Smells so good. Let's take a bite. Oh, it's hot. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Packed with flavor. Look at that. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Cooked perfectly. Seasoned just right. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh. Excuse me, I gotta hold this with 2 hands. Oh wow. Look at that. Look how perfectly cooked it is. Got you hungry already? You guys got to give this a try. It is so simple, yet so delicious. You can't go wrong, I guarantee you. You can't go wrong with this. Even for a beginner, you got to give this recipe a try. I mean, it's just so simple. Basic ingredients, 35 minutes in the oven, boom, ready to go. Look at that. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe for more video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. See you later. Look at how juicy it is. Beautiful looking color. Can't go wrong, guys. You gotta give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed, guarantee you. Give this a try. Oh my God, off the bone. Still piping hot, look at that. Cook right through. Oh, seasoned just right, so good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. And don't forget to subscribe as well.